Dustin,
What?
you can get your hair cut?
Yeah.
Hey, look at me. Want me to cut your hair? I'll cut your hair?
No, that's not cut.
Huh?
I said cut, okay?
No, Mama cut your hair.
No, that's not cut, instead of cut.
Are you gonna cut it?
Yeah.
You're not gonna cut your own hair.
And cut.
No way, dude.
Right.
Mama cut your hair?
No, I said cut.
I'm not letting you cut your own hair.
They hair.
Mm-mm. You gonna let Frankie cut your hair?
Yeah.
So anybody but Mama can cut your hair.
Okay.
Okay? Is that good?
Yeah.
Does it work for you?
Yeah.
So can I cut your hair?
Mom, I didn't cut it.
Frankie cut it? What about Mama?
Mama.
Yeah, Mama. Mama gonna cut?
Yeah.
Hey,
Cut.
can I cut your hair?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Really?
What? Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Well, let's see if that changes when we get into the bathroom to cut your hair. Yeah, cut your hair?
No, I said cat.
You are not cutting your own hair.
No, Mama cat.
Mama cut?
No, I said cat.
You can't try cut.
No, I said cat.
No.
No, I can't say.